In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Google Workspace account. We all have reasons for needing to close accounts from time to time, whether it's for simplifying your digital life, shifting to a new platform, or perhaps closing an old business account. Whatever the reason, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step, and I promise to make it as smooth as possible. First, let's begin by heading to the Google Workspace login page. Here you'll need to sign in using your Google account. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to choose the one associated with the Google Workspace you intend to close. This is a crucial step as you want to ensure you're modifying the correct account. Once you're signed in, navigate to the admin console. The admin console is essentially the control room for your Google Workspace account. It's where you can manage settings, users, and in our case, begin the process of closing the account. Now direct your attention to the Account option. Clicking here will bring you closer to the areas that allow modification of your account's fundamental settings. Next, click on Account Settings. This section houses various settings related to your account's preferences and configurations. What we're interested in, however, lies a bit deeper. So, proceed by clicking on Account Management. This is the section where Google starts to allow us more control over the operational status of our Workspace account. After that, you'll see an option labeled Go to Subscriptions. Clicking here is crucial because it leads you to where Google manages all your active subscriptions and licenses, the heart of any active Google Workspace account. At the license settings section, we will do something decisive. Turn off all the licenses and subscriptions. This action is the first big step towards closing your account, as it ensures that you won't be billed for Google Workspace services in the future. Make sure every subscription is disabled. Don't forget to click Save after you've turned off all licenses and subscriptions. This action confirms your changes and is an essential step in preventing any unwanted surprises on your next billing cycle. But we're not quite done yet. Navigate back to Account once again. This step might feel like a bit of a deja vu, but it ensures we're meticulously following Google's process for account closure. Repeat the earlier steps by clicking on Account Settings followed by Account Management. Each step here is about getting back to where we can make significant changes to our account status. Finally, you'll arrive at the moment where you can click on Delete Account. It's a big step, and I encourage you to ensure you've backed up or migrated any vital information from your Google Workspace account before proceeding. Google usually offers a grace period for recovery, but it's better to be safe than sorry. And there you have it. By following these guided instructions, you've taken all the necessary steps towards closing your Google Workspace account. Remember, it's always good practice to double check each step and ensure you understand the implications of closing your account, especially if you rely on Google services for other aspects of your work or personal life. I hope this video has been helpful. Closing an account is a significant action, and we've aimed to make this process as clear and straightforward as possible for you. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore our channel for more tutorials and tech guides designed to make your digital life easier and more productive.